Evening everyone, how's it all going? Hope you're enjoying this lovely weather on the lockdown. I'm just still in my handcuffs, not for any other reason than the Nick Monkey Lockpick Challenge. So what I'm going to try and do is pick this lock, boy in handcuff, and then pick myself out of the handcuffs. To show you it's working alright. Set the shackle, lock it up. Okay, we're short. Pick it with my little put down key and my wire from Goodman and Andy Mac. Okay, so I'm going to start at the first lever, slowly just itch my way along. Try and push them a little bit up at a time. So I went there on the second one, there we go, click, we're open. So now what I try and do is pick my way out of these. I think Nick said if just one side would undo. That's how we get on. Wouldn't believe that after all these times, but then someone just tried phoning me then. Just using a normal pick there to try and open me up. Come on, baby. You wouldn't believe it, would you? Eh? Try the other side. And I'll stick with this side on my right hand. 2:43, I'm trying to get it all done in 3 minutes, I'm not wasting your time. Okay, we're out. Well, there we go. Very, very chuffed about that. It was about my 20th attempt, as you can see, hot, but I've done it. Hey everybody, enjoy.